Okay, so this one should be a straightforward one. We're basically going to install a new charging port. Old one is broken on the inside. We've got a charger here to do a testing. Let's give it a go. So pop the screws around. That's the charging port. Looks like it's going straight there. So one screw here. Take that off. Out comes the cover. Out comes the charging port. Slide it out. Done. Here comes the new one. Goes right in, I hope. And that goes around. And there we go. And put this cover on. Okay, so it seems this cover actually goes in at an angle to maybe help secure it. It's only an assumption. Oh, it's actually broken off, okay. Okay, let's see if this charges the laptop. Okay, obviously I've made a mistake. Let's screw loose. This is not going in. Why not? Ah, okay, there's a piece of cracked plastic. Okay, there we go. That's better. We've got a charging light. Okay, that's better. And why is there a screw loose? So this will normally go like this. Looks like this screw belongs to the battery. Hello, it's SureCanDo speaking. Okay, go on. That's also loose. Why is that? Okay, there we go. Screw missing on one side. That's broken a little bit there. Okay. Just for one screw, what can we put? This one looks like a thin one. Great, done. Power is on. Let's try and go into BIOS, which may be locked as it's a corporate laptop, but we will see. Yeah, battery information. Okay, great. Take a photo. Done. Alright, simple one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.